Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, dear members of DailyNetPay. This is John Kielec. I am the admin, the Forex market trader, and also crypto trading. Right now, especially Bitcoin trading is my specialty. What I do in DailyNetPay is allowing others to purchase private trade shares, and they come in form of DailyNetPay advertising shares, where I share my trading profits without you doing any trades or risking any of your trading money. You even get to view my real life trading results, which I do weekly. And weekly, that is today. This is the trading results for the week from Monday, July 8th to today, July 12th, 2019. Right now, it's 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The Forex market is closed, and I'm going to get right down to the business, show you the stats, what kind of week we had. So let's see the results. The trading results, once again, for this entire week, we are in profit. We have 3.11% profit for this week. Last week we had, we beat that almost 3 times. But this week, well, the topics that are going to be presented in this video, we had a very aggressive trading week in Bitcoin. Actually, I had. Bitcoin, big profits, then there were some losses, and you're going to find out why. We have many open trades, and these open trades are not profitable yet. So that's another reason that we have a little bit lower, but like I say, 3.11% week's profit, that's still pretty good. Despite the volatility we had, we still came in profit. So in Owenda, which is our Canadian dollar against US, it's a Canadian broker, we had 5 trades, we had 1 loss, no open trades. In First Choice, FX Choice, hedging account broker, we have 11 wins, we had 4 losses, and currently we have 15 open trades, and those 15, most of them, you'll find out where they are. They are with Bitcoin, because we are ready for the next big move, and you find out how. BitMEX, it's a Bitcoin, okay, I strictly trade Bitcoin in there. We had 2 wins, and we had 2 losses in there, and you'll find out why as well, and we have 1 open trade. So total wins for the week, we had 18. We had 7 losses, 7 losing trades, and right now we have 16 open trades, and Bitcoin is trading over the weekend in BitMEX. So let's go to the charts, and I'll give you some examples. All right. Let's go to USD Canadian dollar. Okay, you see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You can see these profits going up, profits. So we had some Canadian dollars. We took some profits, small profits, big profits. We had some in here profits, okay, from going up. You can see these little arrows. This is where we got in, and also we had got the signals to go down. We kind of follow the downtrend, but we have 1 open trade in here. You can see this one from, actually that was from beginning of, that was since last Friday, and still it didn't reach. I should have came over here, and I should have got rid of it with a small loss, but I still believe the market, the Canadian dollar, is going to pull back up there very shortly, and we're going to become profitable. So that is that. GBP USD, we didn't trade nothing in here that week, for this week. Okay, the Bitcoin, all right, the Bitcoin, you can see, we see all these green lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is the Bitcoin. We have some prices to go up, okay? When before we had that major dump, the Bitcoin went down as predicted, but nobody kind of thought it's going to go that much, 30-40% but actually it went a lot more, and was kind of shock to everyone, but it was predictable. All right, so we got some stopped out over here, but all these are open trades, and I'll show you another chart giving you greater details about Bitcoin, because why we are ready. And you can see over here bullish reversal is happening. MA is gonna cross over here, so it's for bullish. Okay, but anyways, we did some profits in here, but we have a lot more to come. Next thing, GBP, British pound against Japanese yen. Okay, there was a few trades in here. Okay, there was a profitable trade in here, another profitable trade in here, profitable trade in here. We took some more profits over here. This trade was nicely going up, and today we didn't trade this market, so you can see that. Next, and by the way, these are the 6 markets that I'm watching. Not necessarily I trade all of them all at once, but you see the highlights, the background with light green. These are open trades for next week. Next thing, GBP, British pound against New Zealand. You can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, we had some trades in here, profitable trades. We had another profitable trades in here. Over here, we got a signal to go down, and and we kind of did go down. We took some profits, but we can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4 open trades, because the market is squeezing over here, and next week the market's going to reverse and go up, and those trades are going to become profitable. So, that's what I say. It was very aggressive week in trading. Euro USD, as I mentioned, I'm kind of studying this market, but I'm kind of curious about that market too, since I travel Europe quite a bit, and US dollar is pretty big all over the world, so I kind of want to see what Canadian dollar does with USD and what USD does with euro. So anyways, I trade very little of this, but we have one trade over here that's happened on Wednesday. For prices to go down. The market has kind of went against us. We didn't get stopped out yet. Market went down. We were actually in profit today, and I should have closed out, but I have the profit set actually at this resistance right there, 12.32. Okay, so almost out. But anyways, it came pretty close over here to MA crossing, and I believe this market's going to come down, and we're going to take profit over here. So these are the 6 markets with the open trades. All right. BitMEX, this is we're trading. We're at 0.0091 in loss. This is only a small account. Okay, what I'm showing in here, because what I'm showing in here, okay, just going to bring you this. Okay, the size is $6,500. Okay, US for Bitcoin entry price. We got in here, and the market is kind of going up. We're almost beaten in, but we're going to keep this trade open anyways for the weekend. This is the current open Bitcoin trade, because BitMEX does not sleep. Trade here 24/7, so we're going to keep it running. Okay, now I'm going to show you the real what's behind my ideas about Bitcoin. All right, these are the profits this week. Okay, it started early. Actually, it started on Monday. Okay, we took some nice profits. Some of these profits were from last Friday, but anyways, we had 6 trades. You can see from here there was hedging for FX Choice. FX Choice hedging account, and this is the FX Choice. This is you can see all these accounts in here. Okay, there are current open accounts. All right, and these are the hedging accounts. So this is what I'm talking about, and this is just a different chart. You can see better in here. We had those 6 profitable trades, over $2,518 profit. And this is just in here. We had 3 trades we got stopped out. But okay, we got stopped out, but I started buying over here because I thought, okay, well, this is the resistance, this beat this resistance, and the lowest would go over here. So for every market went down, I hedged another account, 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 and another account. So we end up with what? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades right now, and BitMEX is 1, so we have 10 open trades. But below are these open trades, right? And see the markets, okay? This is it broke over here, so to me, this is the bullish sign. All right, and I think we topped the bottom for this time. I believe the market is going to go, it's going to hit, it should hit, if it breaks at 12,200, then it should reach pretty close to this range again. And this is where we're going to exit these trades and, watch really closely. And if the market's going to start going down, if not, we will sell some of these trades, take the profit, and dump these two, which will put us ahead. But if all these 9 trades, which are open, and if the Bitcoins, the trend is upward, it's slowly moving up there, and I believe it's going to reach pretty close to this level. Okay, it's going to reach 12,200. I believe so. Very, very thing. It's going to be slow, but it might be over the weekend, might be by Tuesday or Wednesday. But just in case, if we got up off here to this level, this is going to be like $4,000 or $5,000 profit. Okay, so let's keep our fingers crossed that we're going to go market this way and we can profit some of that. All right, and like I see, Awanda, we had Canadian dollar, we had 1 trade in here, we lost in here. Okay, because I reversed to go up and it went down. But other than that, all these trades in here were profitable. And these are the profits. The green ones were profits in here. There was a profit in here, a small profit in here. We went from up here to up here. This is Awanda. I only trade USD Canadian dollar because it's Canadian, so I like to keep the different accounts, different thing. What I'm going to show you, okay, Forex, FX choice, and you can see same thing what I showed you on the bigger chart before, okay, right over here. These are all the 6 charts. This is how my different computers have different charts, and I look at them when I trade from about 5 o'clock in the morning to about 11, 12 at the most. Sometimes they're not. Most of them auto trade, set it, forget it, place my limit order, stop limit order, take the limit profit, and, so forth. But anyways, this is what these are all about. You can see these 3, a lot of FX choice open trades, and that is because FX choice allows you to stock up a trade on top of another, or as I call it, or FX hedging account. And same thing, we have this one and this one. Euro USD, we were in profit, like I say, I showed you, and it was just tweaking in there. All right, so this is, once again, the results because of these aggressive trading, especially in Bitcoin. And the Bitcoin, it was a big dump, okay, downwards. So we had big profits, but some of those profits we have lost. And you can see, okay, like even FX hedge, we've lost 4 of those profitable trades, but it still came ahead. But we have, due to these large number of open trades, which are not profitable right now, they're just kind of being open until next week. So our profit is only 3.11%, which still very, very excellent, okay? So lastly, I just want to update on the latest news. I put out update Friday morning. I didn't do a midweek report this week because I had some denture work, dentist, I had some cavities and They were cleaning my teeth. I'm doing some rework on my teeth. I'm 61 years old. I still got all my teeth, but there are needed some work. So horrible stuff. I don't like dentists, but I like to keep my teeth. So anyways, this is why I didn't do a midweek report, because my mouth was half frozen, or half of my head was half frozen. But anyways, there was some latest action this morning, Friday, July 12th, from John Kielec. I'm the admin. The latest actions in DailyNetPay. You can always go join DailyNetPay, click inside members area, go to update news, and you will hear this. But basically, there's a travel business where you can save up to 70% on travel and earn 2,000 plus more. This is my favorite one because I travel a lot, so I will love the savings. We have DNP offer special co-op advertising for members who join this travel business. You get details in here. Another opportunity to earn more Bitcoin. It's a cashback advertising. What that means is you join and promote any business you wish, and as you bring others and they promote their business, you're going to earn money from advertising, and I call that cashback advertising. So this is the only two that I am in, because mostly networking marketing is not for me. I love trading, and like I say, this is the one I put up this morning, gaining upwards momentum. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, dear members, you have yourself a wonderful weekend. And one more thing, the PTS earnings, the payouts, the compounds, are being paid out, should be paid out by late tomorrow, Saturday, late tomorrow, or by Sunday, early morning at the very latest. So they are being done right now. Okay, so once again, I wish everybody a safe, wonderful, and blessed weekend, and see you next week. God bless.